Have you ever tried uploading a file from ChatGPT only for you to see a message saying you have reached your limit? Don't pay for upgrade yet, because this simple trick can help you upload files for free. Here is what most people doesn't know. When ChatGPT tells you you have reached your upload limit, it doesn't mean you are completely logged out. Seriously, you don't need to pull out your wallet, wait hours to get back to work. Whether you're using an iPhone or an Android, you can bypass this message using a clever little workaround built right into your phone settings. Let's dive straight into how it works in order to save time and our money.
Step 1. Here is the exact step-by-step process you need to follow the moment you see that upgrade or try again later pop up. Completely close out of your ChatGPT app. Swipe to open your control center and turn on airplane mode. Make sure you are completely disconnected from the internet. Reopen the ChatGPT app while airplane mode is still active. Select the photo or document you want to upload and hit send. Because you have no connection, the app will prepare and queue the file. Immediately after hitting send, swipe up to your settings and turn airplane mode off. As soon as you see internet reconnect, ChatGPT forces the upload through, completely bypassing the limit.
Look at that! ChatGPT summarized everything for us without even asking for an upgrade. Step 2. Okay, let's try asking ChatGPT to enhance a picture for us.
Completely close out of your ChatGPT app. Swipe to open your control center and turn on airplane mode. Make sure you are completely disconnected from the internet. Reopen the ChatGPT app while airplane mode is still active. Attach the picture along with the enhancement prompt and hit send. Because you have no connection, the app will prepare and queue the file. Immediately after hitting send, swipe back to your settings and turn airplane mode off.
Wait for some few minutes for your network to catch up. ChatGPT forces the upload through, completely bypassing the limit, enhancing the picture exactly as how we asked for it. Isn't that simple? A quick flip of your settings saves you from hitting a wall with your daily workflow. If this tutorial helped you or saved your time, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment under the comment section. I am Erasmus. Thank you all for watching. As always, we are making the impossible possible. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.
Camera. Yeah. Good morning to my haters, just a greet ya. This world is tricky with no competition. They are lane and they my zone, bro. Why they envy man, brethren? I fit to kill for a better life. If they be and they be, just try to listen. Changing your religion, no go make you get your vision, ambition. RIP haters, that's my intention. Consign yo, fuck all your ratings.